guys, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to fix too many operations on Litmatch. To fix too many operations on Litmatch, first of all, you need to make sure that your app is up to date. So go to Play Store. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now search for Litmatch application. And once you tap on it, you can see this open option right besides on install. So that means I already have the up-to-date version of app. But if you do not have the updated version of app, you will see the update option here instead of open. So if you see update option here, you need to update the application and that should fix the too many operations on Litmatch. But if this doesn't work, you need to go to settings on your phone, scroll down and look for apps option. Tap on apps once you find it. Now tap on manage apps from here. Now on this page, go to search bar and search for Litmatch application. Tap on Litmatch. Now on the bottom of this page, you will see three options: force stop, uninstall and clear data. Tap on clear data. Now tap on second option, clear cache. Now tap on OK. And that's it. This should fix too many operations on your Litmatch app. And if this also doesn't work, then you can try uninstalling the application and install it back from Play Store or App Store. So this is how you can fix too many operations on Litmatch. I hope you guys liked this video. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.